Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into a comprehensive tutorial on Workday's REST API. This tutorial is inspired by the types of topics covered in Zarantech's Workday REST API training courses, but will be tailored to be a practical guide you can follow along with. We'll cover key concepts, authentication, how to discover and use Workday's APIs, common operations, error handling, and code examples in a few popular languages. Disclaimer: accessing and using Workday's APIs requires a Workday tenant and appropriate credentials. The availability and specific functionality of APIs depend on your Workday configuration and security permissions. Always adhere to Workday's API guidelines and best practices. Tutorial overview. This tutorial will cover the following areas. 1. Introduction to Workday REST API. What is the Workday REST API? Why use the REST API? Key concepts and terminology. 2. Setting up your development environment. Getting a Workday tenant, sandbox/development instance. Creating an integration system user, ISU. Obtaining API credentials. 3. Authentication and authorization. Understanding Workday's security model. Password grant. Client credentials grant. OAuth 2.0, if applicable. Setting up and using security certificates. 4. API discovery and exploration. Workday's API documentation, Developer Center. Discovering available web services, using WSDLs and XSDs. Tools for API exploration, Postman, Insomnia, curl. 5. Making API calls. Common operations, get, post, put, patch, delete. Building requests, headers, body. Parsing responses, JSON, XML. Error handling and troubleshooting. 6. Working with specific Workday objects. Workers. Organizations. Business processes. Reporting. 7. Code examples, Python, Java, PowerShell. Authentication. Reading data, get. Creating/updating data, post/put/patch. Error handling. 8. Advanced topics. Pagination. Bulk API operations. Custom reports as a service, RAS. Webhooks/event subscriptions, if applicable. 9. Best practices and security considerations. Rate limiting and throttling. Data security and encryption. Logging and monitoring. 1. Introduction to Workday REST API. What is the Workday REST API? The Workday REST API is a web service interface that allows external applications to interact with Workday programmatically. It follows the principles of REST, representational state transfer, using standard HTTP methods, get, post, put, delete, patch, to access and manipulate Workday data and functionality. It provides a standardized way to connect to Workday for integrations, data extraction, custom applications, and automation. Why use the REST API? Integration. Connect Workday to other systems, CRM, payroll, benefits, etc. Automation. Automate tasks such as data entry, reporting, and business processes. Custom applications. Build custom applications that leverage Workday data. Reporting and analytics. Extract data for reporting and analysis purposes. Modern architecture. REST is a widely adopted standard, making integration easier and more flexible. Key concepts and terminology. Tenant. Your Workday instance, example production, sandbox, development. Integration system user, ISU, a dedicated Workday user account created specifically for API integrations. This is how external systems are granted access. Web services. Specific functionalities exposed through the API, example get_workers, put_organization. WSDL, web services description language, an XML document that describes the structure and capabilities of a web service. Generally less used with REST, but still important for understanding the underlying services. XSD, XML schema definition defines the structure and data types of XML documents used in requests and responses. REST resources. Represent individual objects or collections in Workday, example /workers, /organization /ID. HTTP methods. Get, retrieve, post, create, put, update, patch, partially update, delete. Request headers. Metadata sent with the request, example content type, authorization. Request body. Data sent with post, put, and patch requests, typically in JSON or XML. Response headers. Metadata returned with the response, example content type. Response body. Data returned in the response, typically in JSON or XML. Status codes. HTTP status codes indicating the success or failure of the request, example 200 OK, 400 bad request, 500 internal server error. OAuth 2.0 an authorization framework used to grant limited access to Workday resources. Client ID / client secret. Credentials used to identify and authenticate your application when using OAuth 2.0 or client credentials grant. Refresh token. A token used to obtain new access tokens without requiring the user to re-authenticate. Access token. A token used to authorize API requests. 2. Setting up your development environment. Getting a Workday tenant. You'll need a Workday tenant to work with the API. For development and testing, a sandbox or development tenant is recommended. Contact your Workday administrator or Workday sales representative to obtain access to a tenant. Creating an integration system user, ISU. 1. Log into your Workday tenant as an administrator. 2. Search for Create Integration System User. 3. Enter a username and password for the ISU, keep these credentials secure. 4. Check the session timeout minutes field and set the number of minutes for the ISU session to expire. For a long-running integration, you can set the timeout to a high value or select Never Timeout. 5. Consider checking the Do Not Allow UI Sessions checkbox, especially for integrations that only interact with the API and don't require UI access. This enhances security. 6. Click OK. Configuring security permissions for the ISU. 1. Search for Maintain Password rules and ensure that the ISU password doesn't expire, important for automated integrations. 2. Search for Integration System Security Group, unconstrained, for testing purposes only. Never use this in production. 3. Assign the ISU to the Integration System Security Group, unconstrained, this gives the ISU full access to the system. 4. For production environments, Create custom security groups with the minimum necessary permissions for the integration. This is crucial for security best practices. Refer to Workday documentation on security group configuration. You'll need to identify the specific functional areas, example recruiting, HCM, finance, and assign the appropriate security roles to the ISU via the custom security group. 5. Activate the security policy changes. Search for and run activate pending security policy changes. Obtaining API credentials. The specific credentials you'll need depend on the authentication method you choose, see next section. For password grant, you'll use the ISU's username and password. For client credentials grant or OAuth 2.0, you'll need to register your application with Workday and obtain a client ID and client secret. The registration process varies depending on your Workday configuration and integration needs. Consult your Workday administrator or Workday documentation. You might need to create a registered API client in Workday. 3. Authentication and authorization. Workday provides several authentication methods for its REST API. Password grant *, simple but less secure, generally suitable only for testing. Use the ISU's username and password to obtain an access token. Example, Python. Client credentials grant *, more secure for system-to-system integrations. Register your application with Workday and obtain a client ID and client secret. Use the client ID and client secret to obtain an access token. Example, Python. OAuth 2.0 authorization code grant *, most secure, suitable for user-facing applications. Involves a multi-step process, including redirecting the user to Workday for authentication, obtaining an authorization code, and exchanging the authorization code for an access token and refresh token. This is the preferred method for applications where a user explicitly authorizes access to their Workday data. This requires you to set up a redirect URI in your registered API client configuration in Workday. This is the most complex to implement but provides the best security. General steps. 1. Redirect the user to Workday's authorization endpoint https://wd5.myworkday.com/tenant/auth2/authorize, client_ID equals client_ID and response_type equals code and redirect_URI equals redirect_URI, replace placeholders. 2. The user logs into Workday and authorizes the application. 3. Workday redirects the user back to your redirect_URI with an authorization code in the URL, example https://uriapp.com/callback, code equals authorization_code. 4. Your application exchanges the authorization code for an access token and refresh token *. 5. Use the access token to make API requests. 6. Use the refresh token to obtain new access tokens when the access token expires. Setting up and using security certificates Workday also supports using X.509 certificates for authentication. This is a more secure approach than using passwords directly. The steps to configure this are: 1. Generate a private key and a certificate signing request, CSR. 2. Submit the CSR to your Workday administrator. They will sign the CSR and provide you with a certificate. 3. Import the certificate into your application's trust store. 4. Configure your application to use the certificate for authentication. Important notes about authentication Storing credentials Never store passwords or client secrets directly in your code. Use environment variables or a secure configuration management system. Asterisk token expiration. Asterisk access tokens have a limited lifespan. Implement logic to handle token expiration and refresh tokens automatically, if using OAuth 2.0. Asterisk security best practices. Asterisk always use HTTPS for all API communication. Follow Workday's security guidelines to protect your data. Asterisk registered API clients. Asterisk properly configure registered API clients in Workday with the appropriate scopes and settings. This is critical for security and proper API access. 4. API discovery and exploration. Asterisk Workday's API documentation, Developer Center. Asterisk the Workday Developer Center is your primary resource for API documentation. You can access it through your Workday tenant, usually via the Help menu. Asterisk the Developer Center provides detailed information about available web services, data models, request/response formats, and authentication methods. Asterisk pay attention to the versioning of the APIs. Workday periodically releases new API versions. Make sure you are using the correct version for your tenant. Asterisk discovering available web services, using WSDLs and XSDs. Asterisk while REST focuses on resource-based URLs, the underlying services are often described using WSDLs and their data structures defined by XSDs. You can find these in the Workday documentation. Asterisk understanding the WSDLs and XSDs can help you build correct request payloads and interpret responses. Asterisk tools for API exploration. Asterisk Postman. Asterisk a popular GUI-based tool for sending HTTP requests and inspecting responses. It's excellent for experimenting with APIs and building collections of requests. Asterisk Insomnia. Asterisk another GUI-based REST client similar to Postman. Asterisk curl. Asterisk a command line tool for making HTTP requests. Useful for scripting and automation. Asterisk example, curl, to get a list of workers, assuming you have an access token. Replace your _access token with your actual access token and adjust the URL based on your tenant and API version. Asterisk example, Postman. 1. Create a new request in Postman. 2. Set the HTTP method to get. 3. Enter the API endpoint URL, example https://wd5.myworkday.com/ccx/api/v1/workers. 4. In the headers tab, add the following headers. Asterisk authorization, bearer your _access token. Asterisk content type, application/JSON. 5. Click send to execute the request. 6. Examine the response in the body tab. 5. Making API calls. Asterisk common operations. Asterisk get. Asterisk retrieve data. Asterisk post. Asterisk create new data. Asterisk put. Asterisk update existing data, replaces the entire resource. Asterisk patch. Asterisk partially update existing data, modifies specific fields. Asterisk delete. Asterisk delete data. Use with extreme caution. Asterisk building requests. Asterisk headers. Asterisk authorization, contains the access token, example bearer your _access token. Asterisk content type, specifies the format of the request body, example application/JSON, application/XML. Asterisk accept, specifies the format of the response you want, example application/JSON, application/XML. If omitted, the server will usually return the default format, often XML. Asterisk Workday API version, optional, but recommended, specifies the version of the Workday API you are using, example v40.0. Asterisk body asterisk. Asterisk the request body contains the data you are sending to the server, for post, put, and patch requests. Asterisk the format of the body must match the content type header, example JSON or XML. Asterisk Workday's API often expects specific XML structures for creating or updating data. Refer to the Workday documentation and XSDs for the correct format. JSON is becoming more prevalent, but you may still encounter XML. Asterisk parsing responses asterisk. Asterisk Workday API responses can be in JSON or XML format. Asterisk use appropriate libraries in your programming language to parse the response data, example JSON library in Python, Jackson, or JSON in Java. Asterisk examine the response structure to extract the data you need. Asterisk error handling and troubleshooting asterisk. Asterisk status codes asterisk pay attention to the HTTP status codes returned by the API. Asterisk 200 OK, success. Asterisk 201 created, successful creation of a resource. Asterisk 204 no content, successful operation with no data returned. Asterisk 400 bad request, the request was invalid, example missing required parameters, invalid data format. Asterisk 401 unauthorized, authentication failed, example invalid access token. Asterisk 403 forbidden, you do not have permission to access the resource. Asterisk 404 not found, the resource was not found. Asterisk 500 internal server error, an error occurred on the Workday server. Asterisk response body asterisk error messages are often included in the response body, providing more detail about the error. Asterisk logging asterisk implement logging to record API requests and responses. This can be invaluable for troubleshooting. 6. Working with specific Workday objects. Let's look at some common Workday objects and how to interact with them. Asterisk workers asterisk. Asterisk get a worker by ID asterisk. Asterisk create a worker, post. This is a complex operation and usually involves a multi-step business process in Workday. You'll need to construct the request body according to the Workday API documentation. The data requirements can vary based on your Workday configuration. A simple example follows, but always consult the Workday documentation for your specific tenant. Asterisk update a worker, put/patch. Similar to creating a worker, updating worker data requires a specific request structure. Use patch to update only specific fields. Asterisk organizations asterisk. Asterisk get an organization by ID asterisk. Asterisk create/update organizations asterisk. These are usually complex operations, and the exact data required will depend on the type of organization. Asterisk business processes asterisk. Asterisk Workday's business processes are workflows that automate tasks. You can initiate business processes through the API. The API endpoint and data structure for initiating a business process will depend on the specific business process you want to trigger. Asterisk reporting asterisk. Asterisk custom reports as a service, RAS, a powerful way to retrieve data from Workday. You create a custom report in Workday and then expose it as a web service. Asterisk the API endpoint for a RAS report will be specific to that report. You'll need to consult the Workday documentation for the report to determine the correct URL and parameters. 7. Code examples, Python, Java, PowerShell. We've already provided Python examples. Let's briefly show examples in Java and PowerShell. Asterisk Java, using Apache HTTP client. Asterisk PowerShell asterisk. 8. Advanced topics. Asterisk pagination asterisk. Asterisk Workday APIs may return large data sets. Use pagination to retrieve data in smaller chunks. Asterisk look for parameters like page or offset and limit or page size in the API documentation to control the number of records returned per page. Asterisk bulk API operations asterisk. Asterisk some Workday APIs support bulk operations, allowing you to create or update multiple objects in a single request. This can improve performance compared to making individual API calls. Asterisk custom reports as a service, RAS. Asterisk create custom reports in Workday and expose them as web services. This provides a flexible way to retrieve specific data sets. Asterisk you need to understand the report's parameters and output format. Asterisk example, https://wd5.mywworkday.com/tenant/cc/x/service/custom report/report_name, format equals JSON, adjust URL and parameters. Asterisk webhooks/event subscriptions, if applicable. Asterisk Workday may support webhooks, allowing you to receive notifications when specific events occur in Workday. This is much more efficient than polling the API for changes. Configuration varies, but generally involves registering a URL with Workday that will receive the webhook notifications. 9. Best practices and security considerations. Asterisk rate limiting and throttling asterisk. Asterisk Workday imposes rate limits to prevent abuse and ensure system stability. Understand the rate limits for the APIs you are using. Asterisk implement retry logic in your application to handle rate limiting errors gracefully, example wait a few seconds and then try again. Asterisk avoid making excessive API calls in a short period. Asterisk data security and encryption asterisk. Asterisk always use HTTPS for all API communication. Asterisk encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit. Asterisk follow Workday's security guidelines to protect your data. Asterisk use strong passwords and rotate them regularly. Asterisk implement proper input validation to prevent injection attacks. Asterisk logging and monitoring asterisk. Asterisk implement comprehensive logging to record API requests, responses, and errors. Asterisk monitor API usage to identify potential issues or security threats. Asterisk use a monitoring tool to track API performance and availability. Asterisk error handling asterisk. Asterisk implement robust error handling to gracefully handle API errors and prevent application crashes. Asterisk provide informative error messages to users. Asterisk log errors for troubleshooting purposes. Asterisk code maintainability asterisk. Asterisk write clean, well-documented code. Asterisk use meaningful variable and function names. Asterisk follow coding best practices. Asterisk use a version control system, example Git. Important considerations for production implementations asterisk. Asterisk thorough testing asterisk test your integrations extensively in a sandbox environment before deploying them to production. Asterisk performance optimization asterisk optimize your code and database queries for performance. Use pagination effectively. Consider caching data where appropriate. Asterisk monitoring and alerting asterisk set up monitoring and alerting to detect issues early. Asterisk disaster recovery asterisk have a disaster recovery plan in place in case of system failures. Asterisk security reviews asterisk conduct regular security reviews to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Asterisk Workday updates asterisk stay informed about Workday updates and API changes. Test your integrations after each update to ensure they continue to function correctly. Consult Workday experts. If you need assistance, consult with Workday experts or a Workday implementation partner. This comprehensive tutorial provides a solid foundation for working with the Workday REST API. Remember to always consult the official Workday documentation for the most up-to-date information and best practices. Good luck.